Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. Today's video is pretty much me just picking up and cleaning up around the house after I got off work. I feel like it's been a minute since I filmed a cleaning video and I'm trying really hard to be consistent here on my channel, so that's what I'm going to be doing today in this video. As always, I hope you guys enjoy this motivational cleaning video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, I hope that you would consider subscribing and turning on those post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. video was actually filmed in 2 days. So after the first day of me picking up and cleaning up after work, I got the boys fed and got them ready for bed, and we did story time and all that stuff. And honestly, I was just too tired to even think about washing the dishes. So that's why in this clip you see I have different clothes on, my hair is different, everything is different. So now I'm just gonna wash the dishes finally. It for this motivational cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and I honestly appreciate it so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, I hope that you would consider subscribing. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.